Hey, fashionistas! Welcome back to Ras Fashionista, where we blend style with all things fabulous. With Halloween just around the corner, today's video is all about how to slay your Halloween party look. Whether you're going for glam, spooky, or just plain fun, I've got you covered with tips and tricks to make sure you're the star of the night. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk classic costumes. You know, those timeless looks that never go out of style. But, here's the secret, we're adding a fashion-forward twist. Think Dracula with a tailored velvet suit, or a witch with a sleek, modern silhouette. The key is to elevate the classic with contemporary pieces and accessories. For Dracula, pair a high-collared black cape with a sharp, fitted blazer and a pop of red in your accessories. For the witch, a flowing black dress with a statement hat and some metallic accents will keep you looking enchanting. Not into store-bought costumes? No worries. DIY is where it's at. Grab some basics from your closet and get creative. For example, turn an all-black outfit into a perfect cat costume with some cat ears, a tail, and a few painted-on whiskers. Or, transform a simple white dress into a ghostly apparition with some clever draping and face paint. Planning to hit the party with friends or a special someone? Group and couple costumes are a blast. Coordinate your looks for a themed ensemble, like the cast of your favorite TV show or classic movie characters. For couples, think about iconic duos like Gomez and Morticia Addams or a pair of superheroes. For groups, maybe the entire cast of The Wizard of Oz or a set of 80s rock stars. The key is coordination and having fun with it. No Halloween look is complete without the perfect makeup and accessories. Go bold with dramatic makeup, think smoky eyes, glitter, or even face paint to complete your look. And don't forget those finishing touches. Spooky accessories like faux fangs, dramatic hats, or statement jewelry can really make your costume pop. Accessories can take your costume from good to great, so don't shy away from adding those final, fabulous touches. And last but not least, let's talk comfort. You want to look amazing, but you also want to enjoy the party. Choose outfits that you can move in comfortably, and don't forget about those shoes. If you're going for a dramatic look, make sure you've got something comfortable for all that dancing. Comfort is key, so pick a look that you'll be happy to wear all night long. And there you have it, fashionistas. Whether you're going classic, DIY, or coordinating with your crew, you're now ready to make a statement at your Halloween party. I hope these tips help you create a spooktacular look that's all your own. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a stylish moment. Have a fabulous Halloween, and I'll see you in the next video.